I just say make I tell you something. This month got it mouth. This month got it mouth. Ayo. Hey, this month got it mouth. The month of July. Ayo. Month of July. Month ife neme. Month na ife neme. Ayo. Onye amụrụ nwa ga-amụ nwa. Onye nwere ego ga-akpata ego. Na month a na-adị mma. Ayo. Hey, love Ada. If any magadirimu, congratulations. Ayo. This month of July is a month of congratulations. Quote me. Na me talk am. Things no dey good for you. You can't jam this video. Write it for the comment section. Congratulations. If good thing no dey good for you, write am for me say good thing dey good for Love Ada Emeka. Love Ada Family TV, good thing na atọgbuye. Adamma ife atọgbugo ga Adakụ Adamma ihe dị mma na adịghị mma. Ada ayoyoyo. Adamma ihe dị ọkụ ga-ajụ oyiye. Ayoyoyo. Ọ gịnị dị? Ị na-akwadokwa? Ka ị gbada n'ụlọ. Ọ wụrụ ji ọgụ ga-akpata. Ọ wụrụ nkụgụ ga-akpata. Ọ wụrụ lokashu. O seti ya. Hey, oriri bịam lọlụo. You go chop this month. Na me talk am. Quote me. I dey get feeling say something go happen. If you are in this my page, you are my fan following me, things go better for you. Na me talk am. Just make sure say you dey press button. Make sure say you dey comment. Make sure say you dey do something. You go see say things go better for you. I see they tell una say people wey no love their parents. You miss so. If you no love your parents, you don't send July money to your parents. Abeg send am. If you still get papa, you dey lucky you. Me, I no get papa again. Anytime I remember say I no get papa, I go come dey cry. My daddy. Some people go come here, come ask me say whether na daddy I dey call am. Na daddy I dey call am. Na daddy I dey call my daddy. I don't know wetin you dey call your own. My daddy, sometimes I go call am yellow. Sometimes I go call am BBC and Kois. He will not answer me. Otu abronezi Adam Shonka. Write am if you know the meaning. Wonder shall never end. Yes, so happy, feeling happy. This is the video of feeling happy and joyful because God has done it.